So guys, I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Okay. This is how to, this is, do you want to do the backward shoot? Just like this. Just like that. The thing you need to do is make a character that is centered and upgrade it. But you can also do it without upgrading it. First, you need to stop. But this might take a while because sometimes you press dribble first and you stop. You shouldn't do that. You just need to stop dribble and it will eventually do that and shoot. And this bar will go up very fast when you're doing this. It can go up very fast. But see, that's very fast. But look at the normal speed. See, it's pretty slow. And this is the backward shot. See, it's pretty fast. But you can also do it with the other positions. But it's harder. Look, it won't work. You need the center. See? And you need to practice the speed or you will not shoot it because the center characters in this game are pretty bad at shooting, but when they shoot it looks good, but very bad interferes. Just look at this, man. And I'm gonna prove it. Just look at this, man. Look. It's a 3 points. It won't shoot. It's not an open shot. But look with the other positions. See? It shoots perfectly. But look, try again. Let me try again. Sorry. I'm a pretty bad 3-pointer. But look. See? But with the freaking look, even it's at the center. See? It won't shoot perfectly. It's in the center. Because it's an open shot. Look, I will center the bar. See? It shoots. Shoots, right? But to practice it, we need to hold it very, very fast. Just like this. I hold it. Look. Doesn't shoot because I hold it too long.
Showbiz din ba yung asawa na, like?
See?
Kami.